Okay, before we start, just take a quick look at this final design. Imagine walking into a hotel lobby that looks this elegant and calm. Alright, let's see how we got here. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Nice Tower, the channel where design meets creativity. If you are into architecture, SketchUp modeling, and interior vibes that just make sense, then hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. You'll make my day and help this channel grow. Let's start with a simple rectangle. This will be our base. From the side, I copy a line 200 millimeters away and then one more from the top. I clean up the extra lines and copy the surface and group the whole things, keeping the file nice and organized, and group it again. Now from this line I copy at 550 millimeters, another in 1300 millimeters, now 1000, and another 1000 millimeters. And now select this line and take another copy at 150 millimeters on both sides. Another one. Just to frame the space better. And then from the top I copy another line at 1600 millimeters. Perfect. Now let's draw a smooth arch here to give the lobby a bit of a flow and remove the guideline. Okay, from this line I copy a line in 50 millimeters for both sides. And now I mark 1600 millimeters from the bottom, and now draw another arc here. Delete the extra lines. And now offset this curved part by 50 millimeters and delete the old arch and replace it with one that has a softer radius. I also add another curve on this side to balance the geometry. And take another copy of this here. Delete the extra lines. Okay, now I push all these main shapes by 70 millimeters. This gives us a nice solid base for the wall panels. Then we move on to the back wall. It's there. Okay, from the line I go up 1500 millimeters, then another one 1350 millimeters that defines our height and layers. Now I connect the points with new lines. And now I mark 1600 millimeters from the top, and I mark 1000 millimeters from the bottom. Now here comes the fun part, adding another arch to soften the wall's look. Select this and move it here. delete the extra lines and take a copy of the whole section for the other side. Then just like before, I extrude it by 70 millimeters. Now the whole wall feels structured and balanced. So I copy the surface again, paste it right here and open up the 1001-bit plugin. This plugin is a lifesaver for quick detailing. I enter the following values. First 20 millimeters, another 20, 30 millimeters, angle 0, front and create. We've got perfect vertical panels in seconds. Love how clean this part looks already. Now let's bring it to life with some materials. For the main wall, I use a natural looking texture, gives a realistic surface without being too much. And for the middle section, I pick a soft gray texture and slightly brighten it just enough contrast. It looks better. And for the panel, I choose a wood material, warm, elegant, and blends beautifully with the grays. Honestly, these colors work so well together, but remember, feel free to play around with your own combinations and that helps you find your unique style. Alright, time for the fun part, adding some decor. A few plants, some cozy seating, maybe a light fixture or two, and the space just comes alive. Let's take a look at the final result. The soft curves, the contrast between textures, and that touch of wood, this lobby feels modern yet calming. It's the kind of place that makes you want to just sit down and stay a while. If you enjoyed this perfect, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Nice Tower. We've got plenty more architectural design ideas and SketchUp tricks coming your way. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.